Welcome friends, we are solving great questions of theory of computation. So the question is which of the following statement is true? Here we have four statements, we have to analyze which one of them is true. So option A is if a language is context free, it can always be accepted by a deterministic pull down automata. The union of two context free languages is context free. The intersection of two context free languages is context free. And the other is the complement of context free languages is context free. So we are analyzing the all the four options. Option A is if a language is context free, it can be always be accepted by deterministic push down automata. This statement is false. Not all context free languages can be recognized by a deterministic PDE, while some CFLS can be handled by DPDS, where require the non-deterministic of a non-deterministic PDA to manage the possibilities during parsing. The next option is the union of two context-free languages is context-free. This statement is true. The union of two context-free languages is always a context-free language. Pull-down automata can be constructed to recognize the union of two languages simply by having separate states or transition that accept string from either language. The option third is the intersection of two context-free languages is context-free. This statement is also false. The intersection of two context-free languages might not be context-free language. It can be regular or even an empty language. Depending on the specific languages involved, a PDA for the intersection would need to keep track of both languages simultaneously, which can be challenging. So we are moving toward the next option, the last option. The context complement of context-free language is context-free. This statement is false. The complement of a context-free language is not necessarily a context-free language. It can be regular language or even another context-free language, depending on the original language. A pull-down automata for the complement would require rejecting strings that belong to the original languages, which can be complex to the implement. So the correct option is B, which is the union of two context-free language is a context-free.